Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So if you want to save a video from TikTok, there was a watermark attached to the video usually. So there's this feature where you can directly save a TikTok video, but when you do that, the watermark will be attached to the video. For example, I want to save this video. When I try to save it in the TikTok, there will be the usernames attached and also TikTok icon on the video. So to remove that, you can download it using a third-party app or an online TikTok watermark TikTok video downloader. So let's just hit on the share button. So instead of click on this save video, just tap on the copy link options. Now first I'm going to show you by using the TikTok video downloader online. You can open your browser and find for TikTok video downloader, and here there will be lots of options. Just choose one. For example, I'm going to use this one, the ssstik.io. Just insert the link that you've copied before and tap on download. And it will be generating and find the video that you want to download. You can see the same username. Now choose to download without watermark. So that's the first option. The second option, you can find TikTok video downloader applications on the App Store or Play Store. So open the Play Store and search for TikTok downloader, and here there will be lots of applications that you can select it, but I've already installed one, so I'm using this one, the Snaptic application. You can just download and install it on your device and then hit on open. So this is the Snaptic video downloader, and the link that you've copied will be pasted automatically, and it will detect the video that you want to download. And now you can just tap on download video, but in here you need to watch an ad first before you can download the video without watermark. And so that's all for me. You can follow this easy guide to create TikTok videos that shine, to save the TikTok videos that shine across all platforms. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.